This video we're going to be covering the concept of primary keys. So I'm going to be creating the same table as I've used in another example, a table called things. There's going to be two columns inside of it. I'll click go, and here I'm going to define what the individual columns are. Now whenever you create a table, there should be at least one column which has a unique value. Usually it's something with ID in the name. Very often it's an integer. Integers are great things to make sure that they're unique. So every single row in your table, if you've got 1,000,000 records, there is a different ID for every one of the items in that table. And the primary key, that is the column where you store this unique value. So my field's going to be called thing ID. It's going to be an integer. So type int. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say that it's going to auto-increment, as we covered in another video. And right here, this symbol, see this little key on top of a picture of a table? If I check on that, what I'm saying is, this is the primary key. This is the column that absolutely, without question, 100% of the time, has to have a value that's different than every other row in the table. Now I'm just going to do my normal stuff for setting the collation and the storage engine. Varchar, I'll just put a value in there. Now, right here, primary key, auto increment, these two things often go hand in hand. If a column is going to be the primary key, auto increment should be connected with that. I'll click save, and then the way that I verify that it's done this properly, that it has actually set the primary key that I expected, I can see it in MySQL, but I can also see it down at the bottom right here in the section that's called indexes. Right here, key name primary, type primary, field thing ID, and cardinality 0. That's my next number in the auto incrementing.